Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and I'm here today with
Nathan.
So we're doing a little jaw stretch, and this is a tutorial so Nathan can remember what to do when he gets home. So you take one finger and you put it here in this spot. You can feel like if you open your jaw, it gets hollow. So you put that finger there, then you take the tip of your tongue and put it against the roof of your mouth, right behind the roots of your upper teeth. You leave your tip of your tongue there for the duration of the entire exercise. You take your other finger and put it on your chin and just press gently down against your chin. So we stretch as the tongue is up, we stretch the jaw down like this.
Like that.
It's pretty tricky, and you could do it with the other finger. So Nathan is having trouble with jaw tension like a lot of people. I have trouble with that too. So I started doing this jaw stretch a little while ago. What I did is I just did it like once the first day to see how it went, because I didn't want to make my jaw feel worse. And then it felt better, actually, like a little bit better. So then the next day I tried it again a couple times, and then I just have kind of increased gradually over time. Like I'll do it a few times a day to see
How long
it
do
feels.
how long do you hold the stretch there?
I'll hold it. I don't have a great answer for that. I hold it as long as it feels like I should.
Okay.
Like I can feel it as I'm gently applying a little pressure with this finger. I can feel it stretching a little. So I just kind of, as long as I'm feeling that, I kind of keep holding it. If it felt bad or painful or something, then I would just stop right away.
Okay.
But like, I just kind of notice how it feels and hold it, and then I stop. A physical therapist probably would have better advice about it than I do, but I think it is nice. I've tried it with a few of my students and they've liked it. So that's one quick little jaw stretch. Do you have any questions?
No, I think it's pretty good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.